Good morning, grade 5. Our topic for this day is all about properties of quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a two-dimensional figure with four sides and four angles. The word part or quad means four and the lateral means sides. So pag sinabi natin quad, ang ibig sabihin niya ay a four at ang lateral ay side. So meaning four-sided polygon. Kaya tinatawag siya na quadrilateral. Look around you. Do you see shapes in this room or shape mga quadrilateral sa bahay ninyo? Quadrilateral in the real world, the tiles, yan, bahay. And the microwave oven, yan, pagkain. Table, it is a pentagon. Yan, signages doon sa mga nilalakaran natin. At saka dyan sinusulat or signages din sa mga streets natin. Okay, types of quadrilaterals: square, rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus, and parallelogram. A square. Yan, familiar naman tayo square. A square is a quadrilateral with four equal sides. Ang sides daw niyang lahat, ito dito, ito dito, ito dito, ito dito, at yan, ay puro siya equal. And four right angles. Ito na angle, ito na angle, ito na angle, ito na angle. Puro siya right angle, meaning 90 degree ang kanyang measurement. Okay, madali lang ang square. Rectangle. Familiar na tayo sa rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. Same sila ng square, four right angles. Its opposite sides are equal. Anong ibig sabihin na its opposite sides are equal? Kung anong measurement dyan, ito ang measurement dito. Kung anong measurement dito, yan din ang measurement dito. Opposite side or yung kung ano yung kaharap niya na side. Let's proceed. May tanong ako, is a square a rectangle? Yes or no? Ang square ba daw ay rectangle? Ang square ay rectangle? Remember, a rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. Its opposite sides are equal and parallel. A square is a quadrilateral with four equal sides and four right angles. So therefore, a square a rectangle? Absolutely. Absolutely. Ang square ba daw ay rectangle? Yes. The correct answer is yes, that a square is a rectangle. Kasi ang square is a quadrilateral with four equal sides and four right angles. Di ba ang sinabi lang sa rectangle, opposite side are equal? If this is the square, di ba ito yung opposite side? Equal ba sila? Yes. Opposite side? Yes, equal. Then my four right angles? Yes. So therefore, obviously, a square is a rectangle. But a rectangle is not a square. Bakit hindi rectangle is a rectangle a square? Bakit si rectangle ay hindi square? Remember, sinasabi dito ang square ay mayroong four equal sides. Hindi naman equal lahat ng side ng rectangle. Kaya si rectangle ay hindi square. Okay? Next. A square can also be called a rectangle because it has four right angles and its opposite sides are equal and parallel. A rectangle is not a square because it does not have equal sides. Yun ang sinabi ko kanina. Trapezoid. Yan. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Remember, parallel lines are lines that will never touch. They are equally distant apart in all points. For example, parallel sides niya ay ito, yung mga base nila, base 1 and base 2. Kahit ipatuloy mo pa yan, ipadrawing dyan, at ipatuloy mo ipadrawing dito, they will never meet. Yan sinasabi na parallel. Yan. Is that a trapezoid? Yes, it has one set of parallel sides. Yan. A rhombus. Yan, para siyang parallelogram. A rhombus is a quadrilateral that has four equal sides. Its opposite sides are parallel. Ito na side at ito na side ay parallel. Ito din na side at yan na side ay parallel. Yan na side at yan na side ay parallel at saka yan na side at yan na side ay parallel. They will never meet. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral that opposite sides that are equal and parallel. Which of the following quadrilaterals we have seen are parallelograms? Okay? Which of the following quadrilaterals we have seen are parallelogram? Yung rhombus kanina, di ba? Para siyang parallelogram. Parang ganyan. Yan. Okay? Next. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are equal and parallel. Now, ang square ba daw? It is a parallelogram or it is not a parallelogram? Ang square ba daw parallelogram or hindi? The correct answer is it is a parallelogram. Naintindihan? A square is a parallelogram because it is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are equal and parallel. Equal and parallel. Naintindihan? Next, ang tanong natin, a rectangle a parallelogram or not? Obviously, a rectangle is also a parallelogram. Parallelogram din si rectangle. Okay? Now, parallelogram ba si trapezoid? Parallelogram or hindi? It is not a parallelogram because opposite sides are not equal. Ito dito na side hindi siya equal. Ito dito equal, pero ito hindi. At saka parallel siya, 'di ba? Opposite sides are parallel. Parallel siya dito. Pero dito na side hindi siya parallel. Kaya trapezoid is not a parallelogram. Okay, next. Yan. Rhombus, parallelogram or hindi? Obviously, a rhombus is a parallelogram. A rhombus is a parallelogram. This will explain to you kung bakit si rectangle, rhombus at square ay parallelogram. Remember, a square can be a rectangle and can be a rhombus. Naintindihan? Tapos, si square, si rhombus, at saka si rectangle ay pwede siyang tawaging parallelogram. Next, si rhombus, si square, si rectangle, at si parallelogram ay tinatawag na quadrilaterals. And remember, si trapezoid ay hindi parallelogram. This diagram shows to you the answer yung kanina. Again, a square is a rhombus as well as square is a rectangle. A rhombus is parallelogram and a rectangle is a parallelogram as well as a square is a parallelogram. Kinaintindihan ba? Okay. A square can also be called a rhombus, a rectangle, and a parallelogram and a quadrilateral. A rectangle can also be called a parallelogram and quadrilateral. A rhombus can also be called a parallelogram and quadrilateral. A parallelogram can also be called as quadrilateral. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral. Okay? What is the best name for it? It is opposite sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are parallel. It is a parallelogram. Very good. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Trapezoid. Very good. Obviously, it is a square. This is a rectangle. And that is a rhombus. Intindihan? That is a rhombus. Okay, thank you for listening. Good luck and God bless, kids. Bye-bye.